Have you been wondering how personality influences your career choices? The SUU Career Center is here to help. This model of career decision-making demonstrates how complicated finding your fit in the world of work really is. However, by identifying your personality type, you can gain a better understanding of workplace preferences and narrow in on your best fit majors and careers. In order to start exploring your personality type and careers on your own, first, visit our Deciding on a Major or Career website. Then you will click on Explore on My Own. Once you have clicked on Explore on My Own, a drop-down menu will appear with additional research resources. Click on Truity. Once the homepage appears, you can 1. Take the free 16 Personalities Assessment if you have not done so already, or 2. Explore your personality type below. After selecting your personality type profile, you will see an overview of your personality type. This includes information like how common your type is, which famous people you share types with, possible values and motivations for your type, and more. Under the Careers tab, you can begin to learn more about your possible workplace preferences. In other words, this tab helps you to understand which possible work environments may suit your personality type. While exploring the Careers tab, you can also find practical information concerning top careers for your personality type. In contrast, you can also learn more about which careers to possibly avoid based on your natural preferences. By clicking on the hyperlinked careers listed below the top careers section, you will be redirected to a page that gives specific information about each career relating to job duties, median annual pay, projected job growth, similar careers, and more. What happens if you still don't know which majors or careers to pursue? Learn more about your best fit majors and careers by scheduling a career and major assessment. For more information, please visit our website.